to configure OpenCode on NVIDIA to get the MiniMax 3 for free, you need to open the configuration for OpenCode, and then you will open the opencode.json file. There you will add the NVIDIA provider, and you will add the OpenAI compatible package for it, right? And the base URL, I will put all the details on the description of this video. So for this video, we will add MiniMax V3. So we add the model name, and the model name can be found in the NVIDIA models page. Of course, you can filter by free only, and there you can click on a specific model core, and you get the model name in the NVIDIA website as well. So yeah, with that, you will, of course, you can check if the model is compatible with tool calling or just code generation. And yeah, after adding that, you will open the OpenCode, new session OpenCode, and you will find the new model that you added by searching it in the drop-down menu from OpenCode itself. So you look for MiniMax, you select it, and you have a new session for using MiniMax, and you can actually test this